God, she's gonna get
Not gonna have any broken elbows today.
Maybe when Hawaii going down a freaking corkscrew hill. Decided to do an endo.
Cross Canyon zip.
We had to visit the hospital over there.
That's kind of fun.
That's kind of down there, man.
She was already had an x-ray before I even parked the car.
Are you serious?
Oh, what is that? That's cool looking. Is that the reflection of water? Is that what that is? I don't think we'll see it on video.
Yeah, this water down here, guys, we thought it was a couple inches of water, and then one of our tour guides went down there to look for something that someone dropped, and stepped in it and found out it's actually about 8 feet of water.
Wow.
Instead of 8 inches. He fell right in.